Eyewitness News is your vaccine authority, and if you or someone you know is still struggling with the long-lasting effects of COVID-19, you will certainly want to hear this. A groundbreaking study is underway tonight right here in Connecticut, and researchers are looking for volunteers. Channel 3 New Haven Bureau Chief Matt McFarland is live right outside the Yale School of Medicine with more on this tonight. Hi there, Matt.
Oh, hi there, Mark. Well, the study just launched today, and it's quite the pairing. It is taking researchers and scientists here at Yale, world-class folks, and also pairing them up with a grassroots community of COVID survivors, folks dealing with long-haul symptoms. And they're basically taking a look at seeing how the COVID vaccine is impacting those with those persistent symptoms.
This study is really to try to understand how the vaccines are helping the long haulers, so that we can come up with a better therapy.
Since the start of the pandemic, Dr. Akiko Iwasaki and her team at Yale have been at the forefront researching the coronavirus.
The long-haul disease can be driven either by a persistent virus infection or autoimmune disease.
And now, along with a community of COVID survivors, they're exploring a link between the vaccine and how it's helping some long-haul patients feel better.
I was initially sick in March, and then I was sick through July and August.
Diana Barron, who was diagnosed with COVID in early March of 2020, launched Survivor Corps, a group of patients, survivors, and families now with more than 165,000 members.
At Survivor Corps, we ran a poll of about 1,000 people, finding that 40% felt some degree of relief from their long COVID symptoms after having had the vaccine. Now, that doesn't mean the vaccine is the cure, but it offers like this breadcrumb trail to find the answers.
So researchers at Yale are looking for local volunteers, not yet vaccinated, who are still dealing with the lasting effects of the coronavirus. The study will include providing 3 different sets of blood and saliva samples, one before getting the vaccine and then 6 and 12 weeks after.
Because of grassroots organization like the Survivor Corps, we are able to kind of get, real-time information from patients getting the vaccine and feeling better. This not only gets to the question of, what's helping them, but for those that are not being helped, what can we do to help them, right? So it will benefit everyone with long hauler disease.
And now the study is eligible for folks 18 and older. If you want more information, it's covidrecovery@yale.edu. Also, for Survivor Corps, folks that might be interested in that, we're going to have the links on the Channel 3 app. We're live with the mobile newsroom in New Haven. Matt McFarland, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.